Are your old routers opening the door to cybercriminals? The FBI says ditch end-of-life routers now to protect your business. You're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, hackers target old routers. FBI urges businesses to upgrade. At CyberStreams, we protect small and medium businesses from cyber threats exploiting outdated technology. The FBI recently issued an urgent warning to replace end-of-life, that is EOL, routers, devices no longer receiving security updates from manufacturers. These routers, often from brands like Linksys and Cisco, are prime targets for hackers using malware to hijack networks. The FBI's May 2025 alert highlights how cybercriminals exploit EOL routers such as Linksys E1200 and Cisco E1000 with TheMoon malware, first detected in 2014. This malware turns routers into proxies for services like 5SOX and Anyproxy, seized by the FBI in 2025, allowing criminals to mask their activities for fraud, data theft, or ransomware, according to the FBI. In 2024, 43% of breaches involved outdated systems, with compromised routers enabling botnets for denial of service attacks, according to Verizon's DBIR. A 2023 incident saw hackers use EOL routers to steal crypto wallets from small businesses, costing millions. EOL routers, often pre-2015 models, lack patches for known vulnerabilities, making them easy targets. Remote management features, often enabled by default, allow attackers to bypass weak passwords. Signs of compromise include overheating or spotty connectivity, but detection is tough since antiviruses can't scan routers. Discarding EOL routers is critical, as even reboots or disabling remote access offer limited protection. CyberStreams helps businesses secure their networks against these hidden threats. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, replace EOL routers now. Inventory your network for routers dated 2015 or earlier and replace them with supported models. CyberStreams Cyber Fit Assessment helps identify vulnerable devices. Second, disable remote management. Log into your router settings, disable remote administration, and reboot regularly to disrupt malware. Our managed firewall solutions prevent and detect any such issues. And third, monitor for compromise. Watch for signs like slow connectivity or unusual settings changes. CyberStreams Managed EDR detects and responds to threats on network devices. For more on securing your business against outdated tech, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.